My electric handpiece started running kind of rough up in this area. I've already replaced the brushes, so I figured it's probably going to die here soon. It's been around for quite a while. And I was prepared to spend a few $100s, and then it occurred to me that Amazon might have something of value. And they did. Let me show you what I got for $130. Now this, I think, they advertised that it was for the fingernail business, but we can use it in the dental lab. It's got the variable speed rheostat. It's got, you know, the on-off switch where you plug the handpiece in. It's got a little cradle where you can put the handpiece, and it can go forward or reverse, and you can use the foot switch or the hand rheostat. So it's got all the standard features, but the foot switch, unfortunately, is just on-off. And for me, that's a real bummer because I use the foot switch and I like the variable speed on the foot switch. It also comes with another cradle you can put the handpiece in. It's got some tools where you can take the handpiece apart and do some maintenance on it. And it's got some paperwork that comes with it, a user's manual, and some diagrams to help you if you're doing maintenance on the handpiece. Now this is kind of weird to me. It's the plug, and I'll pull this out just to see what's going on, and that's not something I'm used to looking at. So, you know, this was an import, and I plugged it in and kind of stood back because I was afraid of it and turned it on, and it worked just fine. It works just fine, but the only problem is that on-off foot switch. So I was hoping that I could plug it into my regular rheostat and it would work. So, but let me show you the handpiece. Here it is. I've been using it for about, I think about 6 weeks now. And I don't use it real heavy. I use it every day, but it's not real heavy use. But the collet works just fine. It just spins along just great. And I noticed that the end of it, the plug-in part, looks just like my old one. So I'm thinking, if I could plug this into my variable speed hand rheostat, that would be a huge plus. So that's what this is. And I plugged it in, and not knowing, since it's an import, if it would be a standard type thing or not, I stood back in case it blew up and turned it on, and lo and behold, it works. Works well. So I'll just do a little grinding, and I'll turn it up, or you can turn it down low, you know. It just works really well. So very pleased with it. $130 from Amazon. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.